All right, boys and girls, today what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to have a conversation, an educational conversation about our calendar and the patterns we see and the numbers that we see on our calendar. Right now, to start us off, I want you to look up at our calendar and see if you can find a pattern. Look up here. I'm going to give you about 10-15 seconds. Alright. And then when everybody's done, do I have a volunteer who can come up and share a pattern that they just saw with us? Landon? You want to come up here?
I saw that the pattern went green, blue, red, yellow. And it was doing like a facing pattern. It faced up, and then it was like facing sideways, and then facing down, and then it facing to the side.
Okay. Now, here's what I want. I told you we were going to have a conversation. Stand back up, Landon. And this is what I want to practice with you so you can learn from each other. This is what a good conversation or running conversation sounds like. Landon just explained to me what he saw. It's not my turn to share what I saw yet. What I have to do is I have to repeat what he said. That shows him that I was listening. So Landon, what you were saying was you saw that it goes green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, yellow, and that they're pointing up. And then they point to the side, then they point down, then they point to the other side? Is that what you said?
Yeah. They point to the right side first.
Okay.
And then they point down, and then they point to the left side.
Okay. Did you see how I said exactly what he said back to him?
Yeah.
That tells your buddy or your partner that you were listening to them. If you just start talking about your thoughts, then they go, well, he wasn't listening to me. But if I'm listening, I can repeat what he says. Now, Landon, can you make a mistake? Or actually, how about this? I'll make a mistake, and then you say, Mr. Klein, I'm not sure if I understand. Can you repeat yourself and prove it to me? Okay, that prove it to me is really important. All right, Landon, you know what I see? I see an A-B pattern. I see an A-B pattern.
What?
A-B pattern. And it goes A-B, 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 A-B,
A, B, C, D.
Explain it.
Explain it to me. It goes A-B. You don't understand? Okay. When he says no, say, can you prove it to me?
Can you prove it to me?
Okay. Let me see if I can prove it to you. You know how our teacher told us about even and odd numbers? This, I know that 1 is what number? Odd. I know that 2 is an even. I know 3 is an odd. I know 4 is an even. I know 5 is an odd. I know 6 is an even. So when I see it even, odd. Or, sorry, I'm going to confuse you. Odd, even. Odd, even. Do you understand now? Now, do you see how that conversation went? He didn't understand me at first, did he? He kind of looked up there and said, what is he talking about? That's green, blue, red, yellow. Or that's a equilateral triangle, rhombus, trapezoid, hexagon. It's not an A-B. But because he was listening, and he said, I'm not sure if I understand. Can you explain yourself again? I had to think of a different way to share my idea. That's really important. Can you partner up and share the patterns you saw with your friends?
I saw